Nakita nyo ba ang bahay namin? Very nice and clean, right? Because yesterday we cleaned. Sana. Naglinis po kami kahapon. Usapan namin ba na hindi tayo mag-vlog week? Kaya maglinis tayong bahay. Ang nagawa lang po namin, nag-vacuum. Tapos ito, nilipat po namin yan. No? At yung plant dyan. Today, may ganap po tayo. Aalis po tayo kasi kailangan nating pumunta sa Philippine Embassy para sa passport ni Nathan ba. Papagawa na po kami ng Philippines passport niya no, para pag-uwi namin ng Pinas. May passport na siya. Pwede naman na hindi kami kukuha pero para dual siya ba. Si Daniel gumagawa po ng lunch namin. So what is our lunch, mahal?
Italian bread, Italian bowl. What do you call this?
Italian bread. And with
pesto and roast beef, Parmesan cheese, rocket, and where is the other one? These things. I also don't know how you call this in English.
Something.
Pine bone pit and seeds.
So ito, tingnan nyo guys. Nakaplansya ko lang kasi nung mainit pa siya ba. Hindi ko pa siya mabalik-balik hapon. Naglaba po ako. At nagpalit po ako ng punda.
Roasting the pain tree seeds.
You need to do that?
You don't need to do that, but it gives them a lot more flavor.
Ang ulam namin kagabi, what is that, mahal?
Soup.
Tinola.
Soup.
Gising na ikaw. Ha? Saan ikaw magpunta? Magkuha ikaw ng passport, no? Yan po ang pinasuot ko sa kanya, oh. Para sa picture niya mamaya, formal. Ikaw, no? Ano mo yan? Ang baba ikaw, ha? Magbaba yung baby namin. Ay, sus! Magbaba ikaw. Ha? Say hi, guys, babe. Hi, guys! Hello! Magdede na ikaw. Mag-stop tayo, no? Ha? Kaya magdede naman yung baby na yan. Behave lang siya, guys, oh. Pag nandito talaga, no, ikaw, maghala ka masyado. Pag gusto mo talaga magalag-hala, kaya hindi talaga ikaw mag-iyak-iyak pag nasa car. No? Ang mabait na bata ay kay gandang pagmasdan. Sinusunod na lagi ang utos ng magulang. Nag-stop po kami dito sa may gasoline station kasi padidiin siya. Baka mamaya siya magwangak-wangak, no? Nawala na kaming maparkingan. Hindi ka. Ang mabait na bata ay magandang pagmasdan. Sinusunod na lagi. Ay, ano pala? Shout out sa kaibigan po ni Chambunita na si Dang. Kung sino ka man, Dang, shout out sa'yo. Ready ko, ha? Nasa mga 1 oras at kalahati pa po kami na mag-drive, no? Malayo kasi talaga yung Den Haag, guys. Yung embassy dito ba? Nasa mga 2 oras at kalahati galing sa bahay namin. Si Daniel bumili ng mainom namin, kape at chocolate milk. Dito na lang po kami kakain, kaya nagbaon po kami, no? Wala kasi tayong mabilhan dito. Kaya nagbaon kami ng tinapay na masarap. So now, my husband will eat.
Yes, I will eat food.
The big one is yours. This one.
Okay.
Show them how what is there. The super nice, guys.
Very nice bread with all the nice stuff. But you already told them what's on there, right? Yes, you did. I love you. Kain.
Na ako mag-ano. Kakain kasi sinatan. Nagdedede pa po. Enjoy, mahal, ha?
Maybe a few minutes.
Malapit na po tayo. Sinatan, tulog. Happy kapagod. Nakatulog din po ako, no? How many minutes na? 15 minutes. Kasarap ng tulog ng bata batuta, oh. Itong car seat niya po, may nagsabi sa isa sa ating subscriber na ilang months lang daw bibili na naman po daw kami ng car seat. Ito pong car seat niya hanggang 4 years old po yan. Tingnan nyo, malaki po yan, oh. Kala nyo lang maliit pero malaki po yan siya. Kasi itong unan-unan niya, naaakyat po yan, oh. Depende kung sa laki ng bata. Look at that, guys! You see that? Philippine flag! Wow! I am proud. Are you?
Very proud.
Andito na po tayo. Ayan, oh, sa may 5. Pasok na tayo sa kanilang elevator. Ayan, ang baby, oh. Why? Which number?
6.
6. We are now in the city of Danhak. Tapos na po kaming asikaso ng passport ni Nata. Nakuha ko na din po yung passport ko, no. Dito kami ngayon sa city. Kakain kami doon sa paborito kong restaurant. Alam nyo ba bakit dito po ako nagba-vlog sa loob ng sasakyan? Kasi ang hangin sa labas, maingay ba sa camera?
Hello.
After this, we're going home.
Where are you now?
To our very favorite restaurant here in Den Haag and Amsterdam, the Full Moon City. If you're here, come here.
Yeah, you get free refills on the jasmine tea.
This is my jasmine tea.
Yes.
Free
Enjoy, mahal. Yeah. Love you.
Behave lang ikaw. Ha? Si mama, oh, wala na. Wala na. Parang mahubara na si mama. Ay, no. Hello guys! Tingnan nyo good ang mukha niya guys. Nagpula-pula ba? Kamistiso ba? Kamistiso ba ng baby ni mama? Mag-eat din ikaw ng rice, ha? Nan. Sweet mahal. Kahirap no, Nata, no? Maggala-gala na may baby ba? No? Opo, mama. Mahirap talaga. Tingnan mo yung mukha mo. Butsukoy ka na masyado, oh. Ang butsukoy ni mama, oh. Grabe na, oh. Ang tatay. Are you still enjoying? Or you want to go home now?
No, it's fine. Eh?
Stress yan siya kanina. Because of the traffic.
As long as we still have time because of the parking ticket.
Until what time?
Until 6:10.
Only 2 hours and then we need to go.
Yep.
And then we need to pay fine if we don't go.
No.
For how much?
And we already paid 10 euros now.
10 euros?
Yeah.
For 2 hours? They also have this food. Mahal. Maybe we can also buy this. Just like Mandarin. You can buy this in Mandarin in the Philippines.
I don't know if they
Let's buy that
do
if
that.
they have. That's good. But, you know what's missing? They don't have calamansi. In Mandarin, in the Philippines, they have calamansi.
Mahal, in the Philippines is where they have calamansi. I have never seen calamansi anywhere else in the world, only Philippines.
They don't have ano? Vinegar. It's plastic. It's not wood.
Yeah. You don't remember that it's plastic here? So they can wash it again. Nice? Good. Oy, mahal, your cup is dirty.
That's lipstick, mahal.
Yeah. Whose lipstick is that? Maybe you should ask for a pink cup.
Diyan muna ikaw ha, kay magkain si mama ha. Nagdala po ako ng mga laruan niya. Ayan oh. Sige na, hawak mo. Hawak mo. Dali na. Ha?
Wait until this is cold, right? Before we are allowed to eat it.
Sabi ko sa kanya, mamaya na namin kainin pag nandito na lahat. Yan yung paborito talaga namin dito. Dalawa po ang in-order namin na yan, no?
This is already 2 servings, right?
Yeah. Sige daw, B? Sige daw.
How hot is it?
Not so hot.
Very hot.
Wow. Yummy.
Yummy but super hot.
Magbuhay-buhay na lang po ako kay Sinatan. Ayaw magpababa.
It's super hot.
Yeah? Tingnan nyo siya guys. Para siyang ukoy na hindi ukoy. Wow. Mahal. Ang init. You want to eat it super hot, right?
Yes.
Sige, eat it. You don't want to wait for the other stuff, right?
No.
Sige na. Ang sarap po talaga nito ba? Tingnan nyo. Ang daming shrimp sa loob. Wow. How do they make that, no?
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of shrimp. Second order. Siomai. Grabe ang siomai nila dito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Palaki ba?
Her mouth.
Very big siomai. my soup. Grabe, ang dami na naman in order. Take out lang. Take out, mahal. If we won't finish it. And your soup?
It's not here.
Ayun. That's the chicken feet. Try it daw, my love.
It's boneless.
Yeah, boneless.
Boneless chicken feet.
Yeah. Sige daw.
I burned my tongue immediately just touching that. You were saying it's not too hot.
Try natin yung soup nila. Dumpling soup. Sarap. Wow. Sige na.
That's not boneless.
No? Is it nice?
Mm.
Try ko yung chicken feet eh. Chicken feet. Nathan, wait ka lang dyan. Buhay-buhay ka muna dyan. Kita nyo ba, guys? Tinitingnan ako ng mga tao dito. Importante buhi.
Mahal. Why are they not serving chicken feet at the KFC?
Wow. Why?
KFC should serve chicken feet.
Sarap. Wow. Daniel. More.
Yeah, of course. It's nice, it's just bony.
But the taste is nice, right?
Yeah.
Nandito na po yung soup ni Daniel. Duck, ano po yan? Duck spicy sour soup. Busog na ako ba? May dadating pa na squid. Si Daniel, nag-i-enjoy sa paa. What?
Why are you filming me while I'm spitting all the bones?
That's good, mahal. Ang isa dito, nag-wild na. Sige, buhay-buhay ka lang muna dyan. Kain pa si mama.
This is sour and spicy duck soup. Very nice.
Yeah, but that's with egg, mahal.
Yeah, but it's very nice.
It's sour? Like sinigang? Why?
Last time it was really sour, now not so much.
Hindi pa ako tapos kumain ba? Nag-wild na siya. Sige. Dito ka. Magkain si mama. Ayaw niya pababa, guys. Antok na to eh. Sabi? Yummy. What is that, my love? The squid? What is that?
Yes, that's rice. If you want rice with it.
Ay! Can you open it? Let's see.
Ooh.
That's squid, guys. Pusit. Parang calamares ba? Is it nice?
Rice.
Wow, rice. May rice tayo pa uwi.
Just put the rice in the takeaway.
Hala, sige mahal. Put it in the box.
Put it in the box, yes.
May mauwi tayo.
Lettuce.
Hindi na. Masarap siya, guys. Para siyang calamares na mas masarap pa sa calamares. Hala. Sige. Gusto mo na mag-uwi? Uwi ka na? Ha? Uwi na tayo? Wait lang, good.
So,
Mag-dessert muna kami ni Papa. Are you also bringing the rice?
you want to bring it? Where do you want to put that? With your soup?
That's two still?
No, only one.
Oh? Yeah, I don't want the rice. Let's not bring the rice now. At ito, may isang siomay pa kasi. At yung mga dumpling niya. Wow, that's for later tonight.
Yeah.
May batang nag-ano, guys.
And also this one?
Nagluwad. Yeah, that one. Palitan ko po siya, no? Kaya may suka yung damit niya. Bakit kailangan mag-iyak-iyak ng bata na ito, ha? Hindi ba kailangan mag-iyak-iyak? And, 2, 3, whee! Whee! Mag-flip na ikaw. Please, muna tayo. Ay. Magbihis ikaw, no? Magbihis ang nata namin, no? Mabasa ka na naman dyan. Sige, kalaway-laway dyan sa damit mo, oh.
So here is dessert, and when you look up a little bit, there is Lubot.
Bihis ikaw.
Hello. Hi, Mama. Mahal. And this is a mango soup with grass jelly and ice cream.
Nakauwi na kami, guys. Si Nathan, kagigising lang. Magdidi na. Patay na naman ako nito mamaya ba. Wait lang! Grabing tulog niya. Buong araw. Ganun yan siya, no? Pag nagbabiyahe kami, tulog lang po yan siya ng tulog. Oh, nagtimpla na si Mama. Kagabi, alauna na siya natulog. Tapos, mahal? Wait lang, wait lang. Paano na lang daw, no? Kung buntis talaga ako ba? Ah, katakot, oy. Katakot natin. Tama na siguro ang isa. Padidiin ko na muna to, guys, ha. Tapos maglinis ako ng kusina. Magawa pa ng ano ni Daniel. Baon niya bukas. May trabaho po yan siya bukas. Bis na naman ikaw ng pajama. Magpajama na ikaw, ha? Magpajama na ikaw. Nasa taas pa kasi si Daniel ba nagpupo. Umpisahan ko na sana ang paglinis ng bahay ko, guys. Iba kay grabe. Tinitingnan ko pa lang siya. Parang makaiyak na ako. Lalo na ang kusina ko. Uy, na ano naman ito? Na ano naman ito, Nathan? Mag-iyak na lang siya. Wala siyang pakialam. Hindi mo man ako tulungan. Iyak na lang ako. Hindi mo man ako tulungan kasi. Pasensya na kayo, guys, ha, kung reklamo ako ng reklamo sa bahay namin ba. Kahit siguro kayo, uy, makareklamo man siguro kayo, no? Tapos may bata pa. No? Tapos may bata pa dito ba? No, kalat-kalat lang. Kung hindi kayo nagreklamo dyan, ay naku, proud ako sa inyo. Ka-perfect nyo, uy. Basta tingnan yung bahay. Pakita ko mamaya sa inyo, guys. Kung may ano lang po ako, may katulong, may yaya. Pwede siguro ako mag-anak kahit pa 15 kabuok yan, guys. Kaya ko po mag-anak. Basta may yaya, may katulong. Magbantay-bantay ba ng bata dito? Diba? Kaya ko po siguro kahit pa 20. Kaya ko. No? Pero ganito ako lahat. Meron pa ikong papa na parang baby damulag din. Ako na lang lahat. Ako na lang. Ako. I love you. Ayan o. Sa kanila ka magtingin o. Hi guys! Ang mama ko sige reklamo. Sige siya reklamo, guys. Sige lang siya reklamo. Bakit nag-inter? Nganong ni-inter yung mama na yan tapos magsige reklamo? Ha? Bakit nag-asawa? Sabihin mo kay mama, bakit man nag-asawa si mama? Tapos magreklamo-reklamo man pala. Love man yan dyan ni mama. Love man yan dyan ni mama. Nahiya ka pa. Kahit na ano na. Sige ka lang kalat-kalat. Ha? Hindi kasi uso ang mga yaya dito, yung mga katulong-katulong. Walang mga stay-in na yaya dito, guys. Mga stay-in na katulong. Magbabayad ka po per hour. Maglinis ng bahay per hour po ang bayad. Yan. Ay. Miss Papa, uy, katagal-tagal mag-uo. Katagal-tagal mag-uo ng papa mo. Kainis ba? Maglinis pa ako ng bahay ba? Ha? Tingin-tingin mo dyan kay mama. Ha? Maganda si mama? Maganda si mama? Smile daw ikaw, Vic, kung maganda si mama. Smile ikaw, please. Smile ikaw, Vic. Sino? Ay, kapangit man pala ni mama. Hindi man nagasma yung baby na yan. Pangit pala si mama eh. Ayaw niya talagang mag-smile. Maganda si mama, no? Sino, please? Maganda si mama, no? Pangit si mama? Pangit? Agay! Natanggal yun yung earrings ko, guys. Kaya nagtatali na po talaga ako ng buhok ngayon kasi ang buhok ko palagi niya pong Can you get him so I can clean the house, mahal? I want to cry ba?
You want to cry?
I'm super stressed.
Why didn't you sleep like 5 hours in the car?
I slept. But it's not enough, mahal. Look at my house, guys. I want to cry.
I drove like 5 hours in the car.
Yeah, but you're also tired. I know. Look at my house,
What
guys.
about
This one. This one, guys. Later na that one.
Did
This
he
one.
fart or
Look.
did he poop?
He
Very stinky.
fart. He fart. Oh, they're still here. That needs to be
What is
thrown.
that?
The one we ate this lunch that we bought.
I ate my whole lunch. You did not eat?
Huh?
You did not eat your lunch?
Not all.
Look at the bread.
Look at my guys.
Look at the bread.
Guys.
Look at the bread.
Why?
Did you not see what I got?
Ay, wow.
That one.
Wow, that's nice for your lunch. I'm so happy for you. Hawa, di Rabi. Hawa.
Maybe we can eat some squid.
Yeah, we will eat squid. Hawa, I want to show them my house that I want to cry. Look, guys, look. Hello, grabe naman yun. Hindi ka ba iiyak? Hindi ka ba iiyak? May bread pa dito. Grabe, tingnan nyo, guys. Pakita ko lang sa i-ano ko lang ba? Anong tawag dyan? I-flex ko lang po ang bahay ko. Oh. Meron pa nakasampa. Buti pa yan siya, oh. Relax, mahal. Have fun there with your son.
Yeah.
May binder pa.
We're playing class, huh? We are playing.
Yeah, later. We'll show them how we play that. At ito, kailangan ko din pong i-fold yan lahat. Buti na lang. Thank you for vacuuming yesterday, mahal. That really helped me.
Want me to vacuum today again?
You have inspiration na because the vacuum is new.
Yeah, because it's light.
Yeah?
And sucking very well.
Buti na lang talaga. May dishwasher kami. Kay kung wala, mag-wild na talaga ako siguro. Na. Totoo lang, Jud. Mag-wild Jud ako. I'm happy that we have dishwasher, mahal. Because if we don't have, you know, if we don't have, it's not just crying. It's wilding. I will wild.
What is wilding?
Like, and then doing this in the ground ba? Like that. Nagawa po tayo ng lunch. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Bumili siya ng bread. Mahal yun ito. Slice this, mahal. Wow, nice bread. Nice bread. And for his breakfast. Wow! Is this croissant, mahal? With cinnamon? With cinnamon.
Yes.
And this one, we'll throw this. Not good anymore, no?
Yeah, throw that.
Bakit kakati ng ilong ko? Pakain natin sa kanya yung squid na nabili namin. Yung rice, iniwan lang po namin, no? Wow! Oh yeah, you're right, mahal. I'll put this in the air fryer. The squid. How about the dumpling soup? You want that too?
No, I don't want dumpling soup.
Ito naman, itapon ko na tong tinula. May tanong ako sa inyo. Never po ba kayong nagreklamo sa bahay ninyo nakakalinis? If you do, please like and subscribe. Kung nagreklamo na po kayo, no? Sorry ha, palagi ako nagreklamo sa bahay namin. Tamad kasi akong maglinis, guys. Yan po talaga ang totoo. Tapos feeling ko palagi akong bakit blur? Palagi po akong pagod. Yung pagising ko palang pagod na ako. Kaya kailangan ko itong hugasan. Bukas na siguro ito eh. Hindi ako mag-vlog bukas, guys. Magpahinga ako. Hindi ako maglinis, magpahinga. Try ko pong maglinis bukas. Hindi ako mag-vlog. Kaya grabe na dyan ang nangyayari sa buhay ko dito, uy. Ang babaeng walang pahinga.